Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be attempting the Femi Beauty method again. I'm going to be using less polygel this time so it's not as bulky. So I started out with my top coat, applied it onto my nail tip, and then I'm going to apply my decorations. And then I will be applying my polygel. So I did all of the nails first. I decorated all of the nails with the foil so they could be ready. And then I applied my polygel onto them. So I used a very thin layer this time. I did not want it to like overflow or anything, so I used very little polygel, and I'm sort of just like painting on the polygel onto it because I kind of like start scraping it down with my brush and stuff. So it's really thin, but it did stay on for a long time, so that it does work, you know. You don't need like a lot of polygel for it to work. Like a little thin layer will work. And it turned out so cute. So I did that. I spread it throughout the whole nail, and then when I was satisfied with it, I applied it onto my nail, and then I cured. And you see here, I'm not applying too much pressure because I don't want it to be like extremely see-through, you know. I want it to be so you can see like the shade of the polygel. So here I'm doing the same process, just applying a little bit of polygel and spreading it nice and evenly throughout the entire nail. I didn't want to do like the whole nail because I was gonna cut these down, so I just kind of like guesstimated where I was gonna like, you know, want the length, and then I just, you know, apply the polygel there. I wanted to show you guys how I cure my Femi Beauty method. And so basically I'm using my phone holder, and I really like this phone holder because it like clamps to like the surface that you're working on. So it has this, I'm pretty sure like all phone holders have that, or camera holders that have like a space for you to like, you know, loop your lamp. So I like to use these. There's a green one, a pink one, and a blue one, and I like to grab the little loop, this little loop, and loop it onto here like so. It's kind of hard with one hand, but now it's floating and you can have a space for you to like cure your nails when you're doing the Femi Beauty method. So I would work on it on camera, and then when I'm done I would place it onto my nail and then move down to the lamp and cure. And I'll be holding it on the other side obviously, but yeah, this is my little trick that I use to cure my Femi Beauty method. Or sometimes I use it to like apply my tips when I'm like not wanting to use like, you know, KDS glue. I just use like top coat or whatever, and I apply it onto my nail and apply the tip, and then I cure it under the lamp. So yeah, this is my little trick. So yeah, if you try this little trick, let me know how it went. And these little flashlights are in my description box if you guys want to buy them. I bought them off of Amazon. So I repeated the same steps to all of my nails, to my right hand and my left hand. I just wanted to say how pretty this polygel is. It's so pretty. That purple is so stunning, and those shimmers are coming through just right. I love this polygel. This is the Savaland polygel. It's in the shade purple. And I've always had trouble using Savillance Polygel because I find it too like soft, too runny. Not even runny, it's like sticky. So like when you apply it, it's super sticky. So I usually end up like putting top coat or base coat as my slip solution because it is just so sticky. But it did work out for like this set because, you know, it was such a thin layer that it didn't really matter if it was like getting stuck to the brush, because I was just like spreading it throughout the whole nail, you know. So it worked out for this set. So this is what they look like, and now I am going to cut them a little bit. And this is what they look like cut. So now I'm gonna file and shape them a little bit. So now I'm gonna clean and apply my top coat and my decorations. I didn't apply a lot of decorations because I felt like the polygel was doing its thing with, you know, the whole shimmer and bling. So I just applied a little bit. Well, this is what they look like. I think they're cute. I'm not really into short nails, but this set is super cute. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.